When homeowners think about security, doors and alarm systems usually come to mind first. However, windows play an equally important role in protecting your home. Older or worn-out windows can create vulnerabilities that compromise safety and comfort. For homeowners in Rockford, upgrading to replacement windows is not just about improving appearance or energy efficiency, it's also about strengthening home security and gaining greater peace of mind. Why older windows can be a security risk over time. Windows can weaken. Frames may warp, locks may fail, and glass can become easier to break. In Rockford homes, aging windows may not close tightly or lock securely, creating opportunities for unwanted entry. Even small structural weaknesses can reduce overall protection. Stronger frames provide better protection. Modern replacement windows are built with durable materials designed to resist wear and damage. Unlike older wood or aluminum frames that may deteriorate, newer window frames offer improved structural strength. For Rockford homeowners, this means a more secure barrier between the interior of the home and the outside environment. Advanced locking mechanisms. Replacement windows often include improved locking systems that enhance security. Multi-point locks and reinforced hardware make it more difficult to force windows open. In Rockford neighborhoods, this added protection supports safer living conditions and greater homeowner confidence. Improved glass technology. Glass plays a significant role in window security. Modern replacement windows often feature stronger, multi-pane glass construction. This layered design makes the glass more resistant to impact. For Rockford residents, stronger glass reduces the likelihood of breakage and adds another layer of protection. Tighter seals and proper fit. Security isn't only about locks, it's also about how well a window fits. Replacement windows are installed to create a snug fit within the frame. In Rockford homes, this reduces gaps that could otherwise weaken the window structure or allow tampering. Increased stability and smooth operation. Windows that stick or fail to close properly can compromise safety. If a window doesn't lock securely, it may remain partially open without the homeowner realizing it. New replacement windows in Rockford homes operate smoothly and close firmly. This ensures they can be locked properly every time. Peace of mind during travel. Homeowners often worry about security while away. Weak windows can add to that stress. Upgrading to replacement windows provides Rockford residents with reassurance that their home is better protected. Stronger frames and reliable locks help homeowners feel confident, even when traveling. Supporting overall home safety. Secure windows contribute to overall household safety, not just against intrusion, but also during severe weather or unexpected impacts. For Rockford homeowners, replacement windows add durability that supports a safer living environment in multiple situations. Enhancing comfort alongside security. Security improvements also enhance everyday comfort. Windows that seal tightly not only reduce potential vulnerabilities but also minimize drafts and outside disturbances. Rockford homeowners benefit from quieter, more stable indoor environments while also improving security. A long-term investment in safety. Security upgrades should be reliable and long-lasting. Replacement windows are designed for durability and consistent performance. For homeowners in Rockford, investing in replacement windows improves home security while delivering lasting peace of mind. With stronger materials, advanced locking systems, and improved structural integrity, replacement windows provide a secure foundation for comfortable living. By upgrading your windows, you're not just enhancing your home, you're protecting what matters most inside it.